A vibrant toy kitchen, festooned with Halloween decorations, beckons with playful charm. The toy kitchen seems to whisper, "Welcome to our spooky toy kitchen. Let's cook some fun treats." In a miniature toy kitchen, a child chef, adorned with a playful hat, embarks on a culinary adventure amidst Halloween-themed tableware. Guided by imagination, the young chef meticulously gathers toy kitchen tools, setting the stage for a bewitching feast. With a sprinkle of magic, the child exclaims, "Time to prepare our spooky ingredients." Inside the whimsical toy kitchen, a magical Halloween feast is brewing, complete with bubbling witch's soup and ghostly treats. The text overlay